Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Oneupreviewz. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up if you want to see those likes. It helps us with algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Nike Oneupreviewz, and we got these in the Hyper Royal Midnight Navy colorway. In the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US men's 8.5. Now these, before I unbox these, I really like these. They're very unique shoes that Nike have done. It is a revamp, a modern take of an 80s classic from Nike, which I've never seen in my life before. So this is quite new to me, but it gives me some retro vibes when I show you the sneaker and we look at the colors. So here it is. I never knew Nike did a moccasin toe shoe. Very lightweight as well, guys, I must say. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is, believe it or not, it's rubber. You got more traction, more grippier rubber at the toe and at the heel. Obviously, that's where you're going to be needing a lot of the traction coming from. The midsole is part of this foam rubber material as well. It is, I wouldn't say it's dirt, but it's quite earthy brown all around. And the upper, I'm so amazed by this construction that Nike have done, essentially a wallaby. It's a moccasin, for those that don't know, and it's a blend of materials. I love the colorway because it gives me that early 90s feel, finding the 80s. Again, that is where the original Bedouin, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, that was when it was released and when Nike showcased those shoes. However, this being the newer version, this is more to raise awareness for climate change, and it's Bedouin here. You can see it at the heel right there, Bedouin, and what that means is be more conscious of climate change, do take action against climate change, and win the battle to prevent climate change. Again, it's one of those, it's a very concerning topic, climate change. We hope that we're trying our best as a society and a global civilization that we hope to reduce and change climate change for the better. But we look at the upper, so this is made out of a blend of materials, as I mentioned before, in an array of beautiful colors. So you've got synthetic suedes, you can see it here. The majority of this shoe is made out of these synthetic suedes that you can see at the toe box area with that navy blue strip. You've got the meshes, textile material that you can see at the toe box. Very lightweight again, guys, I must say. The suedes, again, all constructed around. The tongue, it's very nicely padded. And you can see wool there to help keep your feet warm. Flat lacing system. Got the Nike branding at the lateral side. Again, just to show the back, you got the Bedouin. Very nicely padded suede ankle collar. The inner, so the insole is a cork insole. And that rounds off my review, guys. What else more can I say about this shoe? I'm a big fan of these. It's giving me a lot of hiker vibes because of the colorway. Early 90s as well. I love Clark's Wallabies, and this is that. Well, this is Nike's version of a moccasin, so it's dope to see. I've never seen it again. This is brand new to me. I'm very excited. I can't wait to try these on and show you how these look on, and more importantly, I just want to see how they look on me. So run out footage of me trying these Oneupreviewz. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. A UK size 7.5 fits perfectly for me. My toes are where they need to be. And initially when I did put them on, it felt a bit tight, but once I started to walk, it felt great. It's very comfortable as well. The cork insole is really comfortable. I must say that I'm used to wearing like Birkenstocks, which is essentially our cork footbeds. So it's really good. And these really look cool on as well. I would have never known that Nike have done such a great silhouette. I'm a big fan of these now. I've been converted. Thank you, Nike, for introducing me to the BD Wins. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.